Meaning of Greensleeves.
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 Greensleeves. Greensleeves is a traditional English folk song that dates back to the 16th century. The lyrics describe a man's unrequited love for a woman who wears green sleeves, a symbol of her promiscuity. The melody is simple and haunting, with a melancholy tone that reflects the protagonist's sadness. Over the centuries, Greensleeves has been interpreted by many artists and adapted into various styles, including classical and rock music. It remains a popular and enduring piece of English cultural heritage, recognized worldwide for its beautiful melody and poignant lyrics.